Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the details of two popular walking pad treadmills, the YEMS-D Walking Pad Treadmill and the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we aim to help you make an informed decision on which treadmill might be the right fit for your fitness journey. When it comes to affordability, the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill takes the lead with a price tag of $169, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the YEMS-D Walking Pad Treadmill, which is priced at $249. Reviewers appreciate the value for money that Home Fitness Code offers, highlighting it as a cost-effective way to incorporate fitness into their daily routine. Under the hood, the YEMS-D boasts a 2.25 HP motor and operates quietly at less than 45 decibels, according to reviewers, making it ideal for those who need a silent workout companion. The Home Fitness Code, meanwhile, features a slightly more powerful 2.5 HP motor and is also praised for its quiet operation, making both options great for noise-sensitive environments. For those who prioritize speed and weight capacity, the Home Fitness Code stands out with a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour and a weight limit of 300 pounds. Reviewers find it suitable for faster walking and heavier users. The YEMS-D, while offering a respectable 3.8 miles per hour speed and 286 pounds capacity, is appreciated for its stable and smooth performance, making it a reliable option for moderate exercise. When it comes to portability and storage, both treadmills offer convenient features. The YEMS-D is noted for its slim design and ease of moving despite lacking wheels. The Home Fitness Code counters with a lightweight design and the addition of wheels, making it slightly more user-friendly for those who frequently move their treadmill. Reviewers for both products appreciate the ease of storage and setup. Feature-wise, both treadmills come equipped with LED displays, remote controls, and various workout features. The YEMS-D is praised for its non-slip belt and quiet motor, while the Home Fitness Code adds a 5-layer shock-absorbing belt and a slightly faster speed range to its list of features. Reviewers appreciate the added comfort and usability that Home Fitness Code offers, making it a slightly more feature-rich option. Overall, reviewers express satisfaction with both the YEMS-D and Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmills. The YEMS-D is celebrated for its quiet operation, comfortable walking experience, and ease of use, making it a solid choice for those looking to integrate exercise into their daily routine without disruption. The Home Fitness Code, on the other hand, is lauded for its affordability, portability, and range of features, appealing to users looking for a versatile and cost-effective fitness solution. Thank you for watching our comparison of the YEMS-D and Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmills. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to help you choose the treadmill that best suits your fitness needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing which product you prefer and why. Check the description for links to both products. Until next time, keep moving towards your fitness goals.